This is a brand new 2015 Honda Accord. It features a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine and a continuous variable transmission. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, cruise control, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, dual power seats, air conditioning, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.